Dear students, I welcome you all to the class of fluid mechanics. For some fluids, thermodynamic properties become an important concern. In today's class, we will discuss about the thermodynamic properties of fluid. As we know that there are two types of fluid, compressible fluid and incompressible fluid. Generally, liquid is considered as incompressible fluid and gases are treated as compressible fluid. For compressible fluid, a large change in density can be seen with change in pressure and temperature. Hence, thermodynamic behavior is an important consideration for compressible fluids. A relationship between pressure, specific volume, and temperature of a gas is derived, which is called equation of state. The equation of state says PV is equal to mRT, where P, V, and T are pressure, volume, and temperature of a gas respectively. M is the mass of the gas molecule and R is the gas constant depends upon that particular gas. Before applying the equation of state to any fluid, it is necessary to check whether it is compressible fluid or an incompressible fluid. Compressibility of any substance is the measure of its change in volume under the action of external force. The degree of compressibility is characterized by the bulk modulus of elasticity of that substance. Bulk modulus of elasticity of a substance is defined as the ratio of change in pressure to the volume change in unit volume. Here, in this equation, negative sign indicates that volume decreases when the pressure increases. Compressibility is written as inverse of bulk modulus of elasticity. For a given mass of substance, a relationship can be established between change in its volume and density. On the basis of this, bulk modulus of elasticity can also be written in the term of density change. In the previous slide, we read that the liquid is an incompressible fluid and gases is considered as compressible fluid. The reason for this is that the bulk modulus of elasticity of liquids are very high as compared with those of gases. But in real, no substance is incompressible. From the value of bulk modulus of elasticity of water and air, we can say that air is about 20,000 times more compressible than water. If we apply the equation of state for the isothermal process, that is where the temperature is constant, then the value of bulk modulus of elasticity will be equal to the applied pressure. And when we apply the same for adiabatic process, that is where the mass is constant, then the value of bulk modulus of elasticity will be equal to P into gamma, where P is the pressure on the system and gamma is the ratio of specific heat at constant pressure and constant volume. Now the chapter Introduction to Fluid and Fluid Mechanics ends here. We will meet again in the next lecture of the chapter Fluid Statics. Thank you.